गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। इससे पहले हमने लेक्चर नंबर 11 किया था। आज हम लेक्चर नंबर 12 करेंगे। उससे जस्ट आगे कॉर्ड ऑफ कर्वेचर से रिलेटेड जो प्रॉब्लम्स है उसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, यदि कैटेनरी y इज इक्वल टू सी कोस हाइपरबोलिक अक्ष अपॉन सी की किसी बिंदु की अक्षों के समांतर वक्रता जीवाएँ क्रमशः सी एक्स तथा सी वाई हो तो सिद्ध कीजिए कि 4c² इंटू सी एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस सी वाई स्क्वायर इजक्वल टू सी वाई का होल पावर 4। If at any point of catenary y is equal to c cos hyperbolic x upon c, the chord of curvature parallel to axis edge are cx and cy respectively, then prove that 4c² into cx square plus cy square is equal to cy whole power 4. We are given that y is equal to c cos hyperbolic x upon c, then dy upon dx is equal to sin hyperbolic x upon c, and d2y upon dx square is equal to 1 upon c into cos hyperbolic x upon c. The whole equation number 1. Now, by the radius of curvature we know that rho is equal to 1 plus y1 square whole power 3 by 2 upon y2. Put all the values of y1 and y2. 1 plus sin hyperbolic square x upon c whole power 3 by 2 upon 1 upon c cos hyperbolic x upon c is equal to c into cos hyperbolic square x upon c whole power 3 by 2 upon cos hyperbolic x upon c is equal to c cos hyperbolic square x upon c, implies that rho is equal to c cos hyperbolic square x upon c. Equation number 2. पुनः we also know that tan psi is equal to dy upon dx is equal to sin hyperbolic x upon c. That means tan psi is equal to sin hyperbolic x upon c upon 1. Then create a right angle triangle assuming that acute angle psi. Tan psi is equal to perpendicular upon base. That means perpendicular length of perpendicular sine by hyperbolic x upon c, and base length of base is 1. Then length of hypotenuse is under root of 1 plus sine hyperbolic square x upon c is equal to cos hyperbolic x upon c. Then sin psi is equal to sin hyperbolic x upon c upon cos hyperbolic x upon c, implies that sin psi is equal to tan hyperbolic x upon c, and also cos psi is equal to 1 upon cos hyperbolic x upon c, implies that cos psi is equal to sin hyperbolic x upon c. Now cx is a chord of curvature parallel to x-axis, and cy is a chord length of chord of curvature parallel to y-axis in symbolic notation. Then by the formula we know that cx is equal to 2 rho sin psi. Put the value of rho and sin psi is equal to 2 c cos hyperbolic square x upon c into tan hyperbolic x upon c, implies that cx is equal to 2c sin hyperbolic x upon c cos hyperbolic x upon c. Equation number 3. And cy is equal to 2 rho cos psi. Put the value of rho and cos psi is equal to 2 c cos hyperbolic square x upon c into sec hyperbolic x upon c. Then cy is equal to 2c cos hyperbolic x upon c. Equation number 4. Now 4c square into cx square plus cy square is equal to, put the value of cx and cy, and we find that is equal to 4c square into bracket 4c square sin hyperbolic square x upon c cos hyperbolic square x upon c plus 4c square cos hyperbolic square x upon c bracket close is equal to 16c raised to power 4 cos hyperbolic square x upon c into bracket sin hyperbolic square x upon c plus 1 and sin hyperbolic square x upon c plus 1 is equal to cos hyperbolic square x upon c, then is equal to 16 c raised to power 4 cos hyperbolic square x upon c into cos hyperbolic square x upon c and is equal to 2c cos hyperbolic x upon c whole power 4, and put the value of 2c cos hyperbolic x upon c by the equation number 4, that means cy, and therefore 4c square into cx square plus cy square is equal to cy whole power 4 implies that 4c square into cx square plus cy square is equal to cy whole power 4. Hence proved. Very important question. And now we take the second question. Question number 2. यदि कोऑर्डिनेट r बराबर a इंटू वन प्लस कोस थीटा की ध्रुव से गुजरने वाली और ध्रुवांतर रेखा पर लंब वक्रता जीवाएं क्रमशः सी आर व सी थीटा हो तो सिद्ध कीजिए कि 3 टाइम्स ऑफ सी आर स्क्वायर प्लस सी थीटा स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 8 ए सी आर. If length of chord of curvature passing through the pole and perpendicular to the polar line of the coordinate r equal to a into 1 plus cos theta are CR and C theta respectively, then prove that 3 times of CR square plus C theta square is equal to 8 ACR. We are given that r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. Equation number 1 implies that dr by d theta is equal to minus sin theta and d2r by d theta square is equal to minus a cos theta. Equation number 2. Again we know that tan phi is equal to r d theta upon dr. Put the value of r and d theta upon dr is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta upon minus a sin theta, and solving find that is equal to minus cot theta by 2. Implies that tan phi is equal to tan 90 plus theta by 2. Implies that phi is equal to 90 plus theta by 2. Equation number 3. Now, by the formula of radius of curvature in polar coordinate, rho is equal to r square plus dr by d theta whole square whole power 3 by 2 upon r square plus 2 into dr by d theta whole square minus r into d2r by d theta square. Put all the values of r, dr by d theta and d2r by d theta square. We find that is equal to a square into 1 plus cos theta whole square plus a square sin square theta whole power 3 by 2 upon a square into 1 plus cos theta whole square plus 2a square sin square theta plus a square into 1 plus cos theta into cos theta. And solving find that is equal to a cube bracket 2 into 1 plus cos theta whole power 3 by 2 upon a square into 3 into 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 root 2a upon 3 into root of 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 root 2a upon 3 into under root of 2 cos square theta by 2, and implies that rho is equal to 4a upon 3 cos theta by 2. Equation number 4. Now, sin phi is equal to sin 90 plus theta by 2. Put the value of phi then is equal to cos theta by 2. Implies that sin phi is equal to cos theta by 2. And cos phi is equal to cos 90 plus theta by 2 is equal to minus sin theta by 2. Implies that cos phi is equal to minus theta by 2. Now, by the formula CR is equal to 2 rho sin phi. Put the value of rho and sin phi is equal to 8 by 3 cos theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. The CR is equal to 80 by 3 cos square theta by 2. Equation number 5. And by the formula C theta is equal to 2 rho cos phi. And put the value of rho and cos phi is equal to 8 upon 3 cos theta by 2 into minus sin theta by 2. Then C theta is equal to minus 8 by 3 cos theta by 2 sin theta by 2. Equation number 6. Now, 3 into CR square plus C theta square is equal to 3 into bracket 64a square upon 9 cos raised to power 4 theta by 2 plus 16a square by 9 cos square theta by 2 sin square theta by 2 by putting the value of CR and theta is equal to 3 into 64a square upon 9 cos square theta by 2 into bracket cos square theta by 2 plus sin square theta by 2 bracket close is equal to 64a square upon 3 cos square theta by 2 into 1 implies that 3 into CR square plus C theta square is equal to 80 into 80 by 3 cos square theta by 2 and put the value of 80 by 3 cos square theta by 2 by the equation number 5 as CR, then 3 into CR square plus C theta square is equal to 8 CR. Hence proved. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, सिद्ध कीजिए कि किसी वक्र की ध्रुवांतर रेखा के अनुदिश तथा लंबवत वक्रता जीवों की लंबाइयाँ क्रम से 2 रो पी अपॉन आर तथा 2 रो अंडर रूट ऑफ आर स्क्वायर माइनस पी स्क्वायर अपॉन आर है. We know that for any curve P is equal to R sin phi, then sin phi is equal to P upon R. Equation number 1. Chord of curvature parallel to parallel line is equal to 2 rho sin phi by the formula, and put the value of sin phi is equal to 2 rho P upon R. And length of chord of curvature perpendicular to polar line is equal to 2 rho cos phi is equal to 2 rho into under root of 1 minus sin square phi. Put the value of sin phi is equal to 2 rho under root of 1 minus p square upon r square, and solving we find that is equal to 2 rho under root of r square minus p square upon r. Hence proved. Thank you.